Hey everybody, Frank and Carrie. We're trying to figure out what we're doing next, our next big project. So we're gonna go through the 4 things we've kind of narrowed down. So the first thing is the front dormer. That dormer is in fairly decent shape, but the stuff below it is in really bad shape. It leaks all the way down here. When it rains, this all gets wet here because it isn't because of anything leaking but that dormer. Now we'll take you to the second floor.
It's cold in here.
Shot of the stained glass. Our beautiful light fixtures. And this is the second floor. And part of the second floor damage from the front dormer is there's so much water coming in, it has, all this lime plaster has helped absorb all that water out of the brick. And part of the absorption process is turning back into sand.
Yeah, you can see that the sand right here, it's kind of damp. All of it is damp. It's not dry.
So that's another concern, but we don't think it's falling down right now. So that's one of the pros and cons. And out here, I'll go up on some scaffolding. This is the portico, the front portico, and we have this scaffolding up to check on stuff. And see, all this has been wet and been breaking over the years because it's just been so much water. This is underneath the big dormer up there, and as everybody saw from when we took the other one off, this is what's supposed to be holding it up.
Oh, I didn't notice these cracks in here.
So we've got almost every stone here
Pieces are coming off.
is broken, and we can't touch any of this stuff. See how bulged this crown molding is? And all this.
Well, and another thing that is a concern is Bertha can't reach up here.
That's what we're trying to figure out. Yeah.
Bertha cannot reach up there.
So this is one project. This is the front dormer. And we haven't decided which one we're doing yet.
But we decided to give you all a up-close view of our 4 that we have to choose from. And
Yep.
we're picking the most critical.
So we'll put this video out and do one for each of the 4 just to figure out what we're doing.